Welcome to my viewers. In this video I am going to explain to you how to download and install HP Deskjet Ink Advantage 2135 print scan copy printer into your laptop or desktop. For this, first you have to connect your printer through power cable and USB cable with the laptop and desktop. After that you have to switch on the printer. In this you are seeing the color light is getting blink, that shows there is a problem in color cartridge or missing of color cartridge. Here the printer is having only one cartridge. This is 680 printer cartridge. See here, this is 680. They used only, they are using only black cartridge. There is no color cartridge. So that which is giving, this light is getting on. That this LED is getting on. That shows there is no color cartridge. Now we are going to see how to download and install this printer into my laptop or desktop. In this laptop, first I am going to connect my laptop with the internet. Either I can connect through broadband or mobile data. Nowadays both are having the same speed. I did connect my laptop through broadband. After that I am going to double click any one of the available browser in my laptop. In my laptop I am having Firefox browser. So here I am clicking Firefox browser, which is taking me to the screen. I am going to get Google search engine. There I am going to type in here, in this area I am going to type download, DOWNLOAD, download driver, DRIVER, download driver HP Deskjet Deskjet 2135 for Win 7 32-bit. So download driver HP Deskjet 2135 for Windows 7 32-bit. In my laptop I am having Windows 7 32-bit. I have specified here Windows 7 32-bit. So if you have Windows 7 64-bit, you have to specify Windows 7 64-bit. Likewise, if you have Windows 8, 8.1, 10, you have to correspondingly specify Windows 8.1, 8, 32-bit or 64-bit, and Windows 10 32-bit or 64-bit, Windows 11 64-bit. You have to specify like that. After that you have to press enter. So which is taking you to the screen. There you are getting HP Deskjet Ink Advantage 2135 all-in-one printer. The first option I am going to click, which is taking me to the another screen. There I am getting, so there I am getting driver list. So just scroll down. There you are getting HP EC Start Printer Setup Software, internet connection required. So there are two sets of software available. Here I am going to select the second one, HP Deskjet 2130 series. 30 series means 301, 302, 303, 304, 305, 306, 307, 308 and 309. This is called HP Deskjet 2130 series print scan driver and associate and accessories. So this driver I am going to download. That is second one. I am not going to connect the first one because which needs internet connection, then only it will get installed. But here once if you download the second one, you do not have a internet, directly it will get installed. So that the size of the file may be little bit length, that is little bit high, that is 138 MB. That first one may be 19 MB or 20 MB. So now which is downloading, which is going to get complete. Download is downloaded. Then if we keep the which is having displaying completed, if you move the cursor towards that, it will say open file. If you move outside the cursor, outside of that area, it will display completed. If you move towards that file, it will say or it will display open file. Double click the corresponding file, then it will take you to the another screen where you are getting open file security warning. Do you want to run this file? So I am going to run this file. Run. Now which is extracting. Why it needs to get extract means generally the driver file will be in the form of CAB format. That CAB format have a list of printer files. So it has to get extract. Compressed file has to get extract or decompress. Right? So now going to install. See, do you want to allow the following program to make changes to this computer? This means there is some list of software already having this laptop. In this list, shall I add one more software called HP printer software 2135 which is asking. So here I am going to give yes. That means it will add this software also, one of the available software. So I am going to click yes. After that which is going to install. See now which is asking continue. Here I am going to click continue. So I am going to click next. So I am going to click once again next. Now which is asking EULA, End User License Agreement, which is called EULA. That means which is having some terms and conditions. So which is asking us to accept the terms and conditions. So I am going to click this checkbox. That means I am accepting your rules and regulations. So here I am clicking this accept. So then I am going to click this yes. Once again I am going to click yes. Now which is installing. See totally there are 5 steps available. The first step is now getting installed. So one by one, first step, second step, third step, fourth step, last step is called the 5th step. All steps has to get installed. Then the driver will get appear on our printer list. All 5 steps got complete. Now installing 5 of 5 steps, that is last step is getting installed. So which is taking time. Click. I am going to use this home purpose. I am clicking this home. Then I am going to click next. Now which is installing. That's all which is asking finish. I am going to click this finish. After that I am going to click this start button. Then I am going to click this devices and printers. Start devices and printers. I am going to check whether the printer got installed or not. See here I am getting a printer which is called a HP DJ means Deskjet 2130 series 2131 32 up to 39. So here I am going to keep the cursor, click the right button, click the printer properties, then print test page. Now I am going to see in the printer. See, I have given the test page. See this. Paper pickup problem is there. Yeah. So I am going to see which is not picking the paper. So I am going to click this. So see here. Yeah. Now it is taking paper and coming out. Yeah. This is the way to install the printer into your desktop and laptop. Installing the printer, enjoy yourself. See, in this video I have explained how to install a printer software. This same method which is applicable for all available existing printer in printer industry. So if you need any one of the doubt, go to my site. I have given complete list of printer details, how to refill, how to printer service, how to laptop service. Just have a look and enjoy yourself. Refer your friends also. Have a nice day. Welcome.